on it, playlist, organic video. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. If today is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and hit the like button, and this is how you do it on phone. So you go to Google and click on YouTube, click on it, let it load. Then you click on your picture, then you click on your channel, to take you here. Go to your playlist, click on the playlist, then go to your view playlist, click on it, then it will bring you here. Click on the share arrow, then it will bring you here. Click on the link, copy it, and then you go back to the three dot arrow and open a new tab, then you go to Google, then you can search for YouTube. You can search for YouTube playlist duration calculator. YouTube playlist duration calculator. Then you click on it. You scroll down until you see YouTube playlist duration calculator RG Galdo. So click on that. Then look at the link, erase the link, you can delete the link inside, and remember the playlist we copied, so you paste it in. The playlist we copied, you paste it in, then you click on go, then it will bring you here. Look at the total hour I got on my playlist. So I have 21 hours 34 minutes 38 seconds. So this is how you check your playlist duration with your phone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your playlist duration. You need to go to Google, put in YouTube playlist analyzer and click on it, then scroll down, YouTube playlist total duration calculator Google Chrome, click on it, then it will bring you here. Scroll up, go to add to Chrome, don't press anything, just close it. Okay, all you need to do is open another tab, go to your YouTube channel, this is my channel, click on it, playlist, organic video, view full playlist, go to refresh the page, then it's going to bring you to this place. As soon as you refresh, it will bring you here. So you can see from here, looking at this top, you see Cherish Coco, my channel's name. On this playlist, I'm having 5 videos in total. You scroll down, you're going to see that it's all 5, okay? So 132 people has viewed the playlist. Last updated on June 12, 2020. 20 hours 51 minutes 19 seconds. So this is how to check how many hours you have on your playlist. Okay guys, and that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new on this channel, and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you soon on my next video. Bye.